Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is how do I like some of the furniture that I have received from my favorite Raymour and Flanigan. So I thought today it might be fun to review some of those furniture items. For as long as I can remember, I have been moderately obsessed with the idea of blue velvet couches. So these are actually a custom order. It took a few weeks to get them in, but they have held up perfectly. So that is the first thing that I would say, is that these couches look exactly the same as they did when we received them months and months ago. Kids are on them all the time, dogs are on them all the time. I wanted to share with you the member of the family that likes those family room couches the most. One of the things that I really wanted for this space was a larger coffee table. I loved that it had sort of this distressed look to it so that it didn't feel too shiny, too fancy, because this is in fact our family room. This coffee table is climbed on by the kids more than I care to mention. It is super sturdy, super durable. That was another thing that I wanted. I want to show you these side tables. They are technically nightstands, and I didn't even realize they had this feature when I ordered them. We use this little tray every single night. It is the perfect place to put a cup of coffee, a glass of wine. These lamps are also from Raymour and Flanigan. I wanted something that was large so it provided enough light for the couch, but it also didn't feel like this big solid thing blocking the window, and these gorgeous lamps fit the bill. I turned you a little bit because I also wanted to bring your attention to this. Guys, this is from Raymour and Flanigan. It looks like something that I brought home from Bali or I got at a flea market, which is exactly why I loved it. I also wanted to have a light on this side of the couch. I think that every seat should have access to a table, a light, and this was a little bit of a dark place in the room, so this arc lamp is perfect. All you have to do is step on it to turn it on. My goal when picking furniture is always to find something that is tasteful and attractive and feels kind of interesting and chic, but it also stands up to just basic wear and tear. Dogs, kids, food. This is a space that we live in, and we live in hard. Now we are sitting in our playroom, and this room has had a couple different layouts since you first saw me post about it, but we have kept all but one piece in here, and we still love it. So this couch is a pull-out, and when we're having a movie night or one day when the kids have sleepovers, this will be perfect. The mattress is super firm. Everyone has loved it. I will say that there was one incident with a marker, but for this couch, I knew it was going to be in the playroom, and I have insurance for the upholstery. So all I need to do is place a phone call, and they will come and they will help me take care of this. So don't worry about that yellow marker that your kids decided to tuck behind the cushion and stain your couch with. We wanted something that would bring a lot of light into this room. This room is a little bit darker than some of the other rooms because it faces the back of the house. And I love how fun that fixture is in here. This gets used every day. I wanted a lighter color in here just because the space is so small, but I am so impressed with how well this upholstery holds up to normal wear and tear. Not yellow markers. I wanted to show you this last piece that we got from Raymour. You can hardly see it, which was one of the things I loved about it. It's that white console table that's there, and I loved bringing this into a smaller space because it doesn't take up a lot of visual room. I'm also standing out here on my patio, and I had almost forgotten all of that is from Raymour too. This is our second summer with it, and again, 5 kids. This stuff is perfect. I love that the coffee table and dining table actually aren't wood. They're made of a lightweight metal, and they're painted to look like wood. And the fact that it's not real wood, it just means that it doesn't get moldy. I don't have to treat it or paint it or do all those things season after season to keep it up, which I love. I hope this was helpful. I know that buying furniture is a big decision. It's an expensive decision. And just because it looks pretty in pictures, it doesn't mean that it's gonna work for you in your home with your family. And I am here to say that all of the pieces that we have in our house from Raymour are as good as new. Yes, I work with them. I am one of their brand partners, but I keep coming back to them because their pieces hold up to my kids, my family, my dogs, and I love them. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, everyone.